Islamic State group claimed responsibility for the suicide attack by 22-year-old Saman Abedi at an Ariana Grande show that left 22 people dead as young concertgoers fled. Teenage screams filled the Manchester arena just after the explosion Monday night, and members of the audience tumbled over guardrails and each other to escape. Over 100 people were injured in what British Prime Minister Theresa May called a callous terrorist attack. The attack sparked a search for loved ones, parents for the children they had accompanied and had been waiting to pick up, and friends for each other after groups were scattered by the blast. Twitter and Facebook were filled with appeals for the missing. The bombing took place at the end of the concert when the audience was streaming towards the exits of the Manchester Arena, one of the largest indoor concert venues in the world. Witnesses said they saw bolts and other bits of metal indicating the bomb may have contained shrapnel intended to maximize injury and death. The attack was the deadliest in Britain since 4 suicide bombers killed 52 London commuters on subway trains and a bus in July 2005.
Let me tell you something. That is heavy.
It's not just heavy. It leads you to wonder what the world is coming to. I mean, England is usually like this calm, sometimes even drab place, and that nothing happens like that. And so when something happens like that, it just
because the way the world is going and all these attacks across the world, Algeria, Turkey, wherever, like it's getting a lot more serious. And for an arena like the Manchester Arena, because I've always wanted to go there, and to do something like that there, it just shows a lot of intention.
How willing are you to go to the Manchester Arena now?
Still willing.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'd still go because I know for sure security will be ramped up 100-fold.
I don't know how much you can amp up security to prevent a bombing that's going to happen if it's outside of the walls.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? They can do so much and no more to do what they can to protect people on the inside.
Yeah.
But what happens when you step out if there is still a congregation of people on the pavement?
I mean, think about the big events coming up this summer, World Championship.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. Them better not do nothing to them. I'm sorry.
We find them.
It's crazy. Condolences, obviously, to everybody. But on the other note, Ariana said she's heading back there Monday to do a concert in aid of the victims and the victims' families who were hurt by the blast.
And I think Justin Bieber has a concert coming up.
Right, and so they're going to donate the proceeds, or part proceeds, to the families of the people impacted, which is great, you know. Thank you for that. I'm sure it can bring back their family members, but it will help with
something.
Yeah.
Well, on a lighter note though, Drake has made history after winning 13 awards at the Billboard Music Awards 2017. The Canadian hitmaker has surpassed Adele's previous record of 12 wins, taking home a record-breaking number of trophies, including Top Artist.
Look at that.
You can't help but throw a little shade on this one. Drake, you forgot to thank the Jamaican culture in your speech, but you're welcome.
Yes, him use a lot of it for him to forget. For him to forget that he use it. And just don't say anything to us. Hey, Drake, one of them belong to we.
No, man. And Chronic said it best, you know. Who's controlling dancehall?
I know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know?
We want one. We not play.
We don't need one. We don't want. We want everything.
We
want everything.
You need to send some down
Yes, we want everything. Every single thing we want.
My trophy.
Yeah.
My everything.
There's a trophy on spot today too. So.
Yes. You're getting a trophy for the dance off. Mercy. Yes. Is there a battle going down? Is there a battle going on? Between the Trumps? Oh. This question was raised this week after First Lady Melania Trump was filmed not once, but twice swatting her husband's hands away from touching her. It happened while they were walking on the tarmac in Israel, and also when they exited Air Force One in Rome. We're going to watch a video because I have to see this about 50 times I watch it. Come again. Send out the video, let me get to see. Is it ready? Okay, here we go. Watch this now. Reach for her. No, man, enough to slow it down.
Slow, yeah.
Here we go. Reach. Pie. I love it.
Look like she missed though.
She never missed.
Look like she missed. Oh, this one.
Here we go.
This is on Tuesday.
Come, let me help you.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Wait. Let go from me. I feel she ever touch a Jamaican in her.
Really?
Yeah,
no.
man.
Let me tell you something. This woman never signed up for this.
Yeah, no.
Yeah? She never signed up.
But I don't think Trump signed up for this either.
Oh, he sure did. He likes it.
No,
she
man.
never signed up for it.
Yeah.
She's like, I'm not depend on that. It leads you to wonder what happened prior to this.
Yeah, but remember, because people were talking about him leaving her behind and things like that.
He always does.
Yes, and I think he's trying to fix that.
Oh, please.
Yeah, I'm not pick up for the man. I think he's trying to fix it.
Those things are innate.
Yeah, but you can train it.
But nothing that you can't teach an old dog new tricks, my love. That man is a crab. Anyway, let's move on.
Then on Thursday, President Trump seemed to take his frustration out on the Prime Minister of Montenegro when he pushed him out of his way.
Shub, video time. Let's watch it.
Because the man is on fire this week.
Don't it? Here we go. What you know? What you know?
Oh, man,
let's take a picture.
I want to see a different angle.
No, you have to see the other angle.
The other angle.
He's like, me at the front, me.
And then he opened his suit and then just...
Button up, no.
It's like,
wow, picture time.
Yeah, he's like, oh.
The other angle is actually the funnier angle. Because
so
when you see it on the
picture,
boom!
That's funny. That's funny.
Guys, you see what I tell you about
things hilarious,
being innate? If you are a gentleman at heart, if you've been grown and socialized to do that, which if you've seen Obama on any kind of public platform, he always encourages people to go before him. He says, you know, you go ahead and stand there. Or if he's walking with his wife, he puts her on the inside or he puts her in front of him. And that is how a gentleman is. But you see, that is a part of his being.
Trump isn't...
So it comes naturally. This is me first.
Man, Trump isn't...
Me first.
People person.
Suppose the Prime Minister of Montenegro was like a big, by the way,
like
Montenegro only has a population of like 650,000 people. So I guess he thought that, you know, him not really know nobody. Right, plebs.
Plebs.
So he's like,
that's the word, plebs.
Plebs. So he's just like, move, me first, me I'm going to the front. I run the biggest country in the world, the most powerful country.
Free world.
I'm at the front. Come on. It don't look good.
Well.
Not a good look. Let us know what you think at Smile Jam TVJ. And that's it for our trending topics this morning.